on YouTube. Today we're gonna do a sewing tutorial on this shirt. No, on this shirt, it's just a basic, or two basic button-ups meshed into one. And so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Two-tone has been in forever, but lately I've been seeing a lot of like, you know, half and half. I'm pretty sure you've seen like blazers with slip dresses, or like pants that are half white, half black, or Cardi B, she wore a suit that was half green and half, what was it, like brown, orange, burnt orange. So I am gonna do a series on it, pretty much just taking thrift store clothes and two-toning them. That's the word. But if you want to see that, you can go ahead and look at the description and click on the number where I said that it starts, because I know some people don't like to wait. They want to just get into it, so you could do that. I'm just gonna give a quick intro because I'm on YouTube. Yeah, this is it. This is happening. It feels weird. I did one before this video. I feel like this is my first real video because I'm actually on here talking and showing my face. I made my first YouTube video like 7-8 years ago when I was just a little infant in confidence. No, I was a little, I don't know. I don't even know what to call myself. I was just a little girl trying to find things in the world, but I knew what I loved. But I started with a haul, a thrift haul. Like, it's just what I wanted to do. But like, obviously nobody would watch that. Like, nobody wants to watch that. So yeah, I'm back and trying to do it better, as well as an outlet just for creativity. I'm starting a children's boutique. I had the brand called In My Name. Anything that I'm doing, I want God to be behind it, because, you know, it's gonna fail if he's not, in my eyes. So took a pause, rebrand, and now I was given the name. It's called 16 April Ave, which is based off my son's birthday. He was born on the 16th of April. So yeah, that's the name of the brand. I'm gonna be launching the site very soon. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, let you know why I'm on here. And if you all could support, that would be great. If not, cool. No. It really doesn't matter, because everybody don't like sewing tutorials. Everybody doesn't sew. So if you're not interested, then please don't watch. But if you are, I'm going to show you how to make this. Very, very simple. And if you want to just make this just cause, then keep watching. So we're going to start with cutting off the same sleeve on each button up, and I'm going to replace the burgundy sleeve with the plaid one, and then sew the plaid one into the armhole of the burgundy top. I feel like that was just a lot. Comment below if that made sense. So I didn't measure my sleeves to make sure they match beforehand. As you can see, the sleeve is a little bigger than the armhole. I made a dart in the sleeve to fix that, but I'm going to show you two ways that you can fix it. go ahead and put the button up back on, measure where you would like for it to land on you, and then cut it. Okay, this is the last step. We almost there. Okay, so I'm cutting the left side of each button up, and we're going to take the plaid one that I'm cutting off now, and we're going to use that one to place it where the burgundy one was, and then we're going to sew it down.